Hi friends, in this video I am going to check the actual weight of this Ugaoo Cow Manure. It's 5 kg packet. Let me check the actual weight. See, it shows 4.7 kg. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.